You might have wondered what happens to the attacker after an attack has happened. I mean to say, like, you might have this question that, is there any entity or a team which will try to catch or locate the attackers? The answer is yes. Hi, this is Sayam and today we'll talk about digital forensics. So in organization, we have a separate team which is with the name digital forensics. And what do? They try to locate and find the perpetrators. When I say perpetrators, I mean to say these attackers, those who try to perform an attack in the organization. What digital forensics is, let's try to understand in a simple way. See, for example, if you reach late at night in your home, your partner is there in order to investigate on you, right? They will try to ask you certain questions. Where were you? With whom you were there? They will try to check your phone, your messages, and everything like that. Similarly, when we talk about an organization perspective, whenever there's any incident, any attack has happened, we have a specific team which is digital forensic team in order to investigate on that attack and try to find the attackers. What do? They basically go with the data acquisition, as in collecting the logs or collecting on that data which is related to that entire incident. Then they will try to perform analysis and investigation will be performed against it. And third, once the entire investigation analysis is done, they go for the preservation. Preservation as in they have to make sure the evidences are stored properly and securely because they have to be admissible in front of court, right? And fourth is reporting. Entire things will be documented properly so that entire case can be fought against that. These certain steps happen in digital forensics. This is just like an overview, but yeah, multiple more things are involved in that, like order of volatility, chain of custody, and many more. So stay tuned for such kind of topics. We'll talk about more in digital forensics. For now, thank you.